Hello friends, in today's video we present 20 profitable business ideas which are related to plastic products manufacturing. These business ideas are related to a wide variety of industries. So let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first business idea is manufacturing of plastic cutlery or utensils like spoons, knives, forks, plates, etc. The second idea is manufacturing of plastic furniture. One can also consider manufacturing of plastic disposable cups. The next idea is manufacturing of plastic buttons, which are used in clothes. The next idea is manufacturing of plastic toys. The next business idea is manufacturing of plastic clothes pegs. One can also consider manufacturing of toothbrushes or toothpaste tubes, which are made of plastic. One can also consider manufacturing of plastic cans. Friends, one can consider manufacturing of bubble sheets, which are used in the packaging industry. These packaging material are in good demand in a variety of industries, and thus it can be a good profitable business. Friends, the next idea is manufacturing of plastic boxes and storage bins. The next idea is manufacturing of pouches and carry bags made of plastic. Friends, one can also consider manufacturing of plastic stationery items like pens, sellotapes, etc. One can also consider manufacturing of plastic toothpicks. This is also a good business idea to start. Another business idea is manufacturing of electrical fittings, sockets, plugs, etc. Friends, another good business idea is manufacturing of plastic drinking straws. One can also consider manufacturing the protective coatings which are used in electrical cables. Another business idea can be manufacturing of safety caps, for example, which are used in construction sites. Manufacturing of plastic bottles is another profitable business idea. Plastic bottles are used in a variety of shapes and sizes in different industries, so there is a good demand for them. Another business idea is manufacturing of plastic water pipes and hoses. One can also consider manufacturing of items like plastic hangers, which are used for clothes like shirts, coats, trousers, etc. Friends, keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on 20 business ideas related to plastic products manufacturing industry. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, this video is for entertainment and general educational purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor before spending money for starting any business or for making any investment.